Rotate and remove the filter bolt. Remove the filter of the G15 blower. Insert the mounting plug into the G15 blower. Be sure to insert it to the end. Use a slotted screwdriver to remove the back cap. Screw on the installation handle. Remove the 4 bolts indicated in the diagram. With a socket wrench socket, keep the bolts for later use. Pull out the rotor assembly carefully. Remove the installation handle from the old rotor assembly. Screw on to the new rotor assembly. Align the rotor assembly with the central circular hole of the mounting plug and slowly insert it. During insertion, try to ensure remain concentric. Gently push the rotor assembly to the bottom and lightly press to ensure it is fully inserted. When properly installed, the 2 marked red surfaces as shown in the diagram will be on the same level. 1. Use a socket wrench socket to pre-tighten the 4 bolts in the sequence as indicated in the diagram. 2. Use a torque wrench socket set to 5 Nm and tighten the bolts in the sequence as indicated in the 3. Use a torque wrench socket set to 8 nanometers and tighten the bolts in the sequence as indicated in the diagram. Remove the installation handle. Tighten the back cap with a slotted screwdriver. Take out the mounting plug. Align the filter with the air inlet filter. Rotate the filter bolt and secure the filter.